So I want to give you a little information about order sets, just so that you can have a bit more knowledge on how you might want to set them up. Notice here in OpenChart, when I'm in my orders link, I can click on order sets. And the order set that I have here listed is the only one that is set up in our database. And so in order to make more options show up here, we would need to set those up. Now, these options can include multiple different types of orders, and they end up to be specific to the department that we're in. So for instance, we are in primary care right now. So what I would do here is, you can see here that breast diagnostic imaging is the order set, and that's what shows up in the pick list. The orders that go in that order set are listed down at the bottom. Now remember, I'm doing this as to create this. This isn't what you would see as an end user. So I'm going to come and first I'm going to add I'm going to add the name of the order set. And so for an example, we'll just we can say that this is a strep order set. Okay, and I'm going to click OK, and it's created my order set. And notice there's nothing in here now. So I want to add orders to strep. So I'm going to click here on Add, and it gives me different options that I can pick from. So let's say that I want to order a lab. So if I want to put in a lab here, I can actually look for any kind of strep lab that we might do here, and maybe I want to have a strep antigen in this order set, and I would click OK, and now I have a strep antigen in my strep order set. And just to let you see how kind of some of this other, I can add a prescription in here. If I want to add sort of a penicillin in here, if I only want to use this order set maybe for positive strep, we can, come up with something like that. Other things that you can add into an order set is our radiology. So, we have our radiology orders in here, so there could be a type of order set that you'd want to put radiology into. We can put a pre-written referral in here. A pre-written referral is another area that we can point this to that allows us to actually look at referrals that I've already created that have radiology orders embedded into them. So if you wanted to put in a diagnostic breast imaging pre-written referral, it has the referral and the mammogram included into it, and it would write all of that for you. So you can add that into an order set. Of course, I'd need to know how you want the referral to be pre-written and which test you would need in it for it to come out. We can also add immunizations into an order set. I think of peds, and maybe a 4-year-old immunization set would be great. Would go ahead and order all the immunizations that you needed. Special nursing are things that we've also created that they may use either in urgent care that they have that they can use real quickly. And then lastly, we can add in any of our nursing procedures that we have created to add into an order set. And basically what's going to happen is that if I kept this order set with just 2 things, and I went back into OpenChart, and I'll go ahead and close this and open it up again. Now I have another link here that says strep. I'm going to click on my strep, and it's going to give me a chance to choose anything in that set. So you can create an order set with or without, and then once you order them, you can decide which of those you want. You can always select all if you know you're going to order them all, or you can always just click on the one. You do have to add the diagnosis right then and there. That's going to be mandatory that you do that. Now, if you've added it somewhere else in the chart, it will show up here, but the first time it will not. And then it will automatically put everything that you need in here. If I went ahead and clicked them both and put them on my pharyngitis and clicked OK, it's going to, sorry, we can take the 1 out there, since I didn't want to order them twice. We can go back in here and just put the 1 in. So it'll automatically put everything that you need to into the order set. You can also always modify or addend anything that you put in here by clicking on the pencil, and the pencil will allow you to go in there and manually change any of those orders. So that's how they're designed, that's how they're used, and would appreciate any emails from you and letting us know what type of order sets you think would be useful for your department.